What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another Lexus for you. This is a GS 350, I believe. This one's got a little bit over 100,000 miles, so I want to see what this is like and see how it is held up over time. So let's get in it. I don't think I've done a GS before, so this will be interesting. Let's check out the front. Let's do this. And now for the button test. And now for the final button. Miles right here. All right, how did it do? Guys, let me tell you, I don't use this word too often. Or, you know what, actually, I kind of do. I do use this word often. Mixed bag is what I'm getting from this car. So, the areas that are squeaky are pretty darn squeaky. The areas that are solid are pretty damn solid. One example is, wouldn't you agree that that is extremely squeaky? But check out this little zone here by the window controls. Absolutely silent. How come some parts are terrible and other parts are rock solid? What is going on here? Again, the parts that did rock solid were incredible. The parts that didn't do so well, they did pretty bad. We're talking like Mercedes level of bad. More notably the center console area over here. Not great. That was pretty piss poor, actually. So the fit and finish score is going to be real simple. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Not bad enough to be a 4. Not good enough to get a 6 either. So there you go, 5 out of 10 for fit and finish. As far as the materials go, I like the materials in this car. So Lexus, they use a nice soft touch. I'd say it's everywhere in this car. So we have it on the upper dash here, but it's very cushy. Take a look at this. Look how much give. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but this is a little bit harder. This is a little bit softer. I wish there was actually some more consistency, to be honest. But that's what we're working with here. The part that is softer is like really soft. Otherwise, the harder one is acceptable still. But that's everywhere. You got it on the whole part of the door. I already talked about the dash. Even these lower parts here are of that material. The glove box and lower near the climate controls, pretty good actually. I like how Lexus did that. They didn't have to. The trim in here is some kind of wood. Don't know if it's real wood or not. It's okay. Looks okay to the eye. Love cars with a wood steering wheel. Or this could be a wood style steering wheel if it's not real wood. I don't know. You know what I mean though. Feels great in the hand, and it has a little, I don't know, they're not cutouts, but the little grooves for your fingers on the back. That feels pretty nice. The seats, I'm still torn if these are real leather or not. I don't think Lexus uses real leather, but again, I could be mistaken. They feel good to the touch though. They don't feel bad like MB Techs or anything. Definitely acceptable. And then we have a cloth headliner and cloth sun visor. Lexus and Toyota, I believe, they use a really soft sort of fabric for their headliners and sun visors. I like that quite a bit actually. So yeah, this interior is material wise not too bad. I think I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. So there you guys have it. The final score is 5 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Let me know your thoughts. I drove this car around for a minute, and unless I looked at the odometer and already knew how many miles were on this car, I would never guess it's got 110,000 miles. I swear, this thing still feels very smooth. Not really a sporty car that I can gather. This is more luxury focused, but still feels good. If you're looking for a nice used car, this is it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know what you think. Peace.